Look, I got commitment, but I'm trying to fix that. If I can't afford that bad that you want, I wanna be there for you. I knew that they'd be there for you. Too many times they called me, sorry for all of the names I called you. I should've never called you a bitch, man, I did when you're kissing a cup, man. Should've deleted that text that you would've known that fuck you. Don't act like you care how I feel, don't act like you care how I feel you. Don't like how you act so spoiled, you start moving mad when I tell you no. Let's go. But I wanna make it known. Look, I gotta take my time with love, so we gotta take it slow. Huh? I'm not used to this type of stuff, but I can still make you moan. Anytime that you want, I can lay that. You wait on the day that I say that I love you too, but I just can't say that. You want that bag, I'ma hit that trap in a week, I'll make that budget. One touch, make a leg start shake, make a leg start shake, I can make you nervous. Every time that I rap my hoes, I know that you hate those lyrics. I don't believe in love, but that doesn't mean I don't take you, yo. I got commitment issues, sing it. If I can't afford it,